How to send Facebook Reels on WhatsApp. First, open the Facebook. Make sure you're logged into your account. Initially, you'll be in the home interface. Scroll down. Find the section for Reels. Tap on the reel that you would like to send. Now, once you do that, tap on the share icon that you can see on the reel. Now you can see various options. At bottom, you can see the option for share to. Find the option for WhatsApp. If you do not see the option for WhatsApp, you can also tap on this option, copy link. You can paste this link in the WhatsApp chat and send it, or you can tap on this option, WhatsApp, if you have this option. Now you can see the WhatsApp contacts over here. You can search for the specific contacts if you want. Tap on the chat of your choice. Now tap on the send icon that you can see on the keyboard. Now you can see over here the Facebook reel has been sent. So like this, you'll be able to send the Facebook reels on WhatsApp. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching.